I'm Jennifer Martin. I'm from Pembroke, Virginia. We were put in touch with Donald Vault, and he came out here and informed us that we had some serious issues coming up. And he worked really hard with us for several days and finally got it all fixed for us, and then got in touch with you, and we purchased the septic drainer stuff, and it's done amazing. It's really helped us. It's got our septic system running. Our yard looks beautiful again, and we really appreciate all of it. It did an amazing job pretty quickly too. I think I probably would have had to have hooked up to town septic, which would have been a huge ordeal. We were even looking at maybe having to leave our home for several weeks until that was done. So it made a huge difference for us. I think Septic Drainer is awesome. It has done an incredible job. It let us stay in our home. It helped us fix our sewer system, saved us tons of money too. That's one thing, nobody teaches you how to maintain your septic system. I've been here 15 years and just now learned that everything I've been doing was wrong. So now we are redoing the way we wash our dishes, wash our clothes. We don't use our garbage disposal anymore. Just really redid a lot of the way I do things every day and to help maintain it. I think Septic Drainer is awesome.